Welcome back to Defense Info, a one-stop solution for all your defense need. And friends, if you have any query or any information to share, you can just share it on our Instagram ID, or also you can share it on our email ID, and please join our Telegram channel as well as group for latest update and discussion. So friends, today I bring you the information that the SSB for the SSC Non-Tech 115 course, SSCW Non-Tech 29 course, as well as NCC Special Entry 51 for men and women, and SSC Tech 58, SSCW Tech 29 courses. The tentative SSB dates have been scheduled from January to March 2022. Firm's date will be informed later, and notification is out in the flash corner of the www.joinindianarmy.nic.in, so you can see it. And friends, now talking about my expectation, like it was very familiar, like I have made 3 videos on it. Like the expected dates for the OTA was December last week to January first week, so it was somewhere tentatively on my boundary. I would not say ki it was exactly, because even I was expecting from December onward it will start. But as you know friends, the JAG entry has been starting from the December only. So OTSSB somewhere it is starting from the December, and from the mid of December the JAG entry will begin, and within the December all the JAG entry courses SSB will be going to be over. And after that, you know that the TS 46 entry SSB will going to start. And meanwhile, from the January onward, you can see the tentative the SSB for the SSC Tech as well as your CDS OTA and NCC will begin. Now see, this notification is there in the flash corner, as simple you can see. And even I have sent a query on the in the query box of the www.joinindianarmy.in in the officer column on my login ID. So they said the SSB dates of this course is not finalized. Please check your mail regularly. So friends, please keep your please keep checking your mail. And therefore I will also say ki friends, actually dates are been set, but you know what the DJ recruiting does, until and unless the all dates have been compiled, they will not the date selection link which is on the website, they will not update it as soon as they compile all the dates. So somewhere in the some centers you may find the exact data or record has not been sent, so therefore it's been delaying. And date selection will be open soon. Okay, you will all be notified with through the email from the joinindianarmy.nic.in. And now no state SSB batches for specific entry will be there. Like you know that in previous time before COVID, there used to be SSC Tech, your CDS as well as NCC. They are prolonged for 3 to 4 months. You will find it was begun on April and it was continued till July. First week. So it will be like that place. In that way, there will be no specific entry. All will be shuffled. Okay? Different day, different entry will come, right? So different entry, different batches will come in the SSB center. So now talking about friends, the other thing, I will keep you notifying it. And till that friends, if you like this video, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel, and email us on our email ID defenseinfo2020@gmail.com. Join our Telegram channel as well as friends, if you have any query to share, you can share it on our email as well as the Instagram ID. Link is given on the description box. Till then friends, meet you very soon.